In this video, we will cover all of the details on Windows 10 updates. According to a blog post from Microsoft, starting October 14, 2025, Windows 10 will be end of life and no longer receiving normal security updates. There is still a free upgrade to Windows 11, but many computers do not meet the hardware requirements. You could also start a subscription to Windows 365, which is essentially just Windows hosted on a server that you log into, like a remote desktop. This option is rather expensive though, as it starts at $31 per user per month for a very low-end system. The final option is Windows 10 Extended Support. Windows 10 Extended Support is free if you have either a Windows 365 subscription or if your machine is an Azure Virtual Desktop. Neither of these apply to most normal users. The released cost of Extended Support is going to start at $61 per device for the first year for businesses. The price doubles every year, so $122 for year 2 and $244 for year 3. Microsoft has not released a price for individuals, but it is probably going to be even more expensive. So much so where buying a new computer makes sense. Staying on an older version of Windows 10 is not a good idea, since Windows is a big target for malware and exploits. If none of these options are appealing, you can always install Linux. For example, Linux Mint is easy to use and is similar to Windows in appearance. Unlike Windows, Linux operating systems typically have very low system requirements, so almost any device is compatible. Thank you for watching our video. Microsoft had a similarly priced extended support option with Windows 7. The main difference is that the hardware requirements for Windows 10 were far less strict than those for Windows 11.